Hello, students. So, today we are going to do a quiz. So, let's test your knowledge on parts of speech. So, here goes your question number 1. So, before that, आपको instructions ये है कि आप हर एक slide जो है बहुत ध्यान से read करेंगे, उस पे attention पे करेंगे और कौन सा part of speech है underline word में ये आप बताएंगे. Okay? So, जैसे ही क्लास खत्म होता है आई विल टेल यू द आंसर्स एंड द स्लाइड एक्चुअली गिव्स यू द लास्ट स्लाइड विल गिव यू ऑल द आंसर्स ओके सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 अंटार्कटिका इज द कोल्डेस्ट एंड ड्राइएस्ट रीजन इन द वर्ल्ड ओके सो इसमें आपका जो रीजन है वो अंडरलाइंड है एंड साइंटिस्ट आर स्टिल trying to uncover its many secrets. So you have to tell me whether region is a noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective, interjection, or conjunction. Okay, of course, you have one more option which is preposition. So region kya hai? Take your time. Let's see. सबने ये आंसर जो है सॉल्व कर लिया right? So let's move on to the question number 2. So question number 2. Oh, you earned the highest grade in the class. That's impressive. He exclaimed. अब ये क्या है? Exclamation mark कब लगता है? क्या ये noun है? क्या ये pronoun है? या फिर adverb है? या फिर verb है? Adjective, interjection, conjunction or preposition? Oh. Moving on to the next slide. On the eve of the celebration, she decorated her house with vibrant flowers and rainbow-colored tapestries. Vibrant. What is vibrant? Vibrant flowers. Flowers क्या है? Flowers is basically a noun. Flowers को describe कर रहा है vibrant. तो ये क्या होगा? Noun तो of course नहीं होगा. क्या pronoun होगा? Pronoun भी हमें पता है कि नहीं होना चाहिए. तो जो दो ऑप्शंस है वो आपके एलिमिनेट हो जाते हैं. आपके पास ऑप्शंस है adverb, verb, adjective, interjunction, conjunction and preposition. Moving on to the next question. As he crept up the creaky stairs to the attic, he swatted away cobwebs. Crept. Is that a noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective, interjunction, conjunction, or preposition? So everyone comment, okay? Next question. The dragon reared back its ugly head, but the knight was prepared with his sword and shield. The word is but. But. But हम लोग कहाँ यूज करते हैं और ये कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है? Noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective, interjection, conjunction or preposition. Next question. Behind the curtain, the actress fluffed her hair one last time before striking the opening pose for the show. Behind is a word. So which part of speech is that? Noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective, interjection, conjunction or preposition. Next question. The giraffe lifted its long neck toward the clouds to reach the leaves at the top of the tree. Tell me the part of the speech. Next question. The painter rarely leaves the studio when inspiration strikes. And the underlined word is rarely. Noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective, interjunction, conjunction, or preposition. The crowd roared with elation when the winning contestant was announced. Is that a noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective, interjunction, conjunction, or preposition? She gawked at the outrageous amount on the garment's price tag. Outrageous. Amount के सामने लगा ये ध्यान देना आप लोगों को. ये noun है, pronoun है, adverb है, verb है, adjective है, interjunction है, conjunction है या फिर preposition. He was confident when the instructor handed him the exam because he had studied every night for the last week. Studied is the word. The next question. The shipwreck was finally located off the coast of Africa at a depth of 12,500 feet. So finally, the answer key is here. The first answer is noun, second is interjection, third is adjective, fourth is verb, fifth is conjunction, sixth is preposition, seventh is pronoun, eighth is adverb, ninth is noun, 10th adjective, 11th is verb and 12th is preposition. आई होप कि सब लोगों ने बिल्कुल करेक्ट आंसर्स दिया है और आप लोग क्या करने वाले हैं जितने आंसर्स आपको आउट ऑफ 12 आपके करेक्ट हैं आप अपना मार्क्स मेरे को कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिख के बताएंगे ओके सो हैव अ ग्रेट डे and go through the